Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I am diving into the rich culinary heritage of Mithila community from Bihar with a recipe that is so close to my heart. It is known as vegetable dalna. It's delicious and very staple in many Mithila household. Times of festival, marriage or any special occasion at home. Well, there is no special occasion in my place. I just wanted to share this recipe with you all. I begin by grinding all the aromatics, garlic, onion, ginger, chili to a fine paste. I'll use mustard oil because that's authentic, but you can use any other oil as well. But I'll highly encourage if you can use mustard oil because it adds a very unique taste. Now the way to use mustard oil is you need to heat the mustard oil to a smoking point. That really takes away the rawness. And now we will deep fry all the vegetables one by one. The idea is to turn them a slightly crisp and not cook them all through because they're going to get cooked again. As I said, this is not an everyday recipe, can be made only on special occasions. You can use any combination of vegetables you like. Today I'm using potatoes, kathal, small baby brinjal and many other vegetables. Actually, this is one of the good recipes when you are trying to clear your refrigerator when you don't have one vegetable to make an entire dish. The details of all the recipe measurements are in the description box for you. When it's cooked completely, do not add too much water. The idea is to keep it latpata kind of a sabzi, not too much gravy, usually eaten with rice, puris or parathas. A cluttered countertop can make your kitchen feel chaotic and stressful. Many things on my present countertop is working for me. Few things are very functional, but few I really want to change. This change is just to add more function and beauty to my space. A well organized and decorated kitchen not only looks great, but also makes my daily task easier and more enjoyable. I want to think of it like a fresh start for my kitchen, and who doesn't love a fresh start? Like always, first thing first, clearing the space and remove everything from the countertop. Now this might seem like a very daunting task, but trust me, every time when you start with a clean slate, it makes a huge difference. I'm hanging few of my artwork. I have actually borrowed it from my own home from different locations just to see if it actually works and looks good in the kitchen area. Now, one of my corner spot in the kitchen does not have any power plug to plug any kind of a lamp or a light source. Though I have under cabinet lighting, but a nice cozy lamp in a corner will look really nice. So I wanted to DIY it with you all. This is a vase that I DIY'd long back, even before I started YouTube, and using an old cap and some double-sided tape, I decided to create a small version of a small lamp. Now let's organize this space using some functional decor like shelf risers, glass jars, utensil holders. This will add both functionality and style to my kitchen, making my space work for me. I am using a ceramic pot as a utensil holder. This is adding a little charm and it's contrasting with the dark black countertop that I have. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I share a lot of behind the scenes on Instagram. The handle remains the same, Simply Kaushiki. Consider joining me there as well. This is usually my behind the scene thought process, how I like to style any space. I try multiple versions and then pick and choose which is more comfortable for me. Today I'm sharing 2 of these countertop styling. This will give you some idea and you pick and choose what works for you. Here is the first look that I have created.
Let's meet down at the lonely lake before summer has gone away. Swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun, colored with shades of white. Wave goodbye to last summer. Cold air coming away soon.
For the second look, I am starting with this corner right at the entrance. Instead of usual light source, I have added this LED puck lights. Now I would not need a power source to light this lamp. If you have noticed, I have used wood tones everywhere on my countertop. This is just to add warmth to the dark countertop. I have also mixed different colors and hues of ceramic and marble. Before you jump going to shopping, try shopping your own home. Look for decor pieces in other rooms that could work in your kitchen. You know, a fresh perspective of a few relocated items can breathe a new life into your space. I'm a strong believer that you don't need to buy new things each time to make a space look better. Just rearranging what you already have and sometimes moving things around can make a huge difference. So I have shared 2 mini makeovers of this kitchen without spending a rupee, just by organizing and rearranging things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye bye.
A significant light, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same.